Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody was wanting to, and I think I've done this before and made hotkeys. So if you're going back and forth, and let's zoom in here a little bit on this leaf, and if you're going back and forth from the shape tool, where you can manipulate the nodes, and the smoothing tool, you have to go, back and forth up to here. Well, you can make hotkeys for those, and this is one of the easiest ones to do. So let's go to Tools, Options, Customization, and under Commands, you don't have to look for it. All you have to do is go up here to the Shape tool, and it'll find it. I've actually already made it with a V, so we're good. I'm going to just say OK. So now if I press, I've got the smoothing tool. If I hit V, I get the shape tool. So what we're going to do now is make one for the shape, for the smoothing tool. So we'll go Tool, Options, Customization. And like I said before, you can just go right up here. There it is. Double click on it and assign it a new shortcut key. I don't know, there's a bunch of keys being used. There's like center. You don't want to use that. I'm trying X as eraser. And if you don't use the eraser, you could take that away. But let's just make it alternate V and assign it. And then say OK. So if you got your hands on the keyboard, we got the shape tool, alternate, then V, we got the shape tool, alternate V, we got the smoothing tool. And those will stay there forever until you do something else. But you can use the shape tool, alternate V, and instead of having to go up here and, click on the flyout and get it, so it almost works like the pick tool. The pick tool, you can go from pick tool to shape tool just by hitting the space bar. But we're just going to go alternate V, and we got the smoothing tool. So let's say we want to smooth these out, but we want to now hit V, and now we got the shape tool again. Alternate V, and if you could almost keep your hand on that and not even, keep your hand on the V, and you could probably find a better key so you wouldn't have to have a 2-key stroke. I've got most mine, and I just said that the other day in a video. It doesn't matter what letter you picked as long as it's not being used. And Corel will tell you if it's being used, but the keys on the keyboard are not text if you don't have the text tool picked. Like we don't have the text tool picked, so I'm going to hit V, and now I got the shape tool back. Alternate V, I got the smoothing tool back. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.